Hello guys! Today I've got OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones and we are going to unbox them today. Let's get started. So here, as you can see, we've got our box, and let's take a look at the box at first. Here I've got some technical specifications like brand, model, etc. And here I've got what's in the box. OneOdio FOCUS A5 headphones, USB Type-C charging cable, and one user guide, so that we can check what's inside, and if you have bought them used, you won't get, for example, scammed. So let's take out the first part, and here we've got our headphones. Let's take a look here. In the box, as you can see, apart from these things, we don't have anything. So let's focus only on what we've got here. Here I've got, as you can see, user manual for our headphones, which is actually quite nice, because in most headphones these times we've got only user guide, quick user guide to just pair, and that's it. We have here this info here that our headphones support the codec, and yeah, just a normal user manual. Here we've got our cable, USB Type A to Type C charging cable, which I wouldn't use and I won't use. And here we've got the best thing that we love, of course, our headphones. Let me unbox them quickly from this wrap. Here the first part, like this, and let's take it off. Without damaging it, because we are tidy and elegant. And here we've got the best part, our headphones. They look actually quite nice, premium feeling, but here we've got our headphones, right? But I forgot about one thing. Here we've got warnings and cautions, and we've got this thing in the box also. Like, for example, here we've got the information: do not use the headphones at a high volume for any extended period. Of course, this is not something that you didn't know, of course, but it's the part that many companies need to give you while giving you the headphones, because it's just necessary. So actually that's it. If you want to see further videos from these headphones, like for example how to pair them, how to use them, any tips how to clean them, for example, you can check our channel, because we've got many videos from them. That's it. Bye.